Hey, welcome back to Revenge of the Show. First time here, whatever. Like, subscribe would really help. Anyway, this is Model Monday. So what do we got here? We got, this is Excelsior. This is the newer version of it. And what do you do if you got the older version? Should you buy the older version? Is it worth building compared to this one? We're going to open it up, check it out.
What's in the fucking box?
Okay, so here is these are the directions to the old kit. As you can see, there's not a real lot to the directions. You do get this really nice, it is a nice looking thing for your decal setup. I'll show you the decals in a little while. They're not very impressive, unfortunately. But it is pretty neat. And this is the directions to the new kit. Same, not a real lot. There's some new stuff over here. You put stuff in the top. I'll show you. You get more clear parts that you get to put in. And you get other extra bits that you put in. And a nice little layout on where you're supposed to put the decals on the kit. So there you go. That's your direction list. Alrighty, first off the bat, here's the bases. Different base completely. This is the typical round 2 base. This is the old Ertl base. Doesn't look too strong. Nothing special there. So now we'll go into the differences between the top of the secondary hull. This is the new kit. This is the old kit. This one has, you know, a little bit of a definition on there, a little bit of lines and stuff like that. Okay, and there's the, whatever this is, bay of some sort. And here's the bottom. You get some grid lines and stuff like that. Now there's no holes for any of the windows or anything like that. There and there. Here's the new one. More definition there. Laser, phasers, hole to put this thing up, and wow, look at this. Big difference. Wow. Way different. So those are winner new kit for sure. Now here's the new screw and the old screw. So almost identical, right? I mean the landing base exactly the same. The old one here, this is straight and there's nothing inside there. And otherwise, look at the new one. Got definition in there. This one's got a little bit of a bend to it. But everything else on this screw is pretty much the same as the old one. But definitely more definition there. Very nice. Here's the clear parts, and the clear parts for both kits are exactly the same. No difference there whatsoever as far as the engines are concerned. But when you go into the other clear parts, this is the new. You get a whole bunch more glass. You get for both deflectors for the Excelsior NX 2000, and that's all you get with the old kit. So another winning thing for that kit, the new kit. Engines are exactly the same. There is no difference between either one of them, as far as I could tell. They are the same. The old one's got a ton more flash on it though, but yeah, no difference with the two engines. All right, now we get into some other stuff here. Let's see these parts here. This is the old kit. You'd had to put in here, put that in the secondary hull. Now, not a real lot of difference. This is the new kit. There is definition on the bottom here that you don't get with the other kit. You might not be able to see it there, and you might be able to see it there. So there is difference in that quality. There's on underside. And this is the top part. Now, not a real lot that's different here. It's hardly noticeable, but there is, on the new kit, there's a circle here. And there is a, looks like a seam line. No, that is part of the kit. It's not a seam line. It's some kind of line through there that you do not get with this one here. Otherwise, that is pretty much the same for that. So another win for that kit, the new kit. This is the old kit. It's not bad. It's got these lines that shouldn't be in there. But look at the new and improved excelsior. Flat, that is correct. And you could put stuff in there, more definition. You got this different back thing for the, what is it, the 2000 or whatever. So you can build both versions that way. There's the different bridge. There's the old bridge. Old bridge is still pretty nice. In some ways, I must say, I think I like the old bridge on this one. This one's a little soft. Also, on the old one, the new one, it's like, it's got more grid lines on it, or they're deeper anyway than the old one. This one does seem to have a little bit more detail in it. They expect you to put the decals around the side here. So there's the bottom. So I don't know, kind of like the old one a little bit for certain aspects of it. Here's the bottom. This is the new one. Way more definition here, way more detail. More grid lines are more pronounced. Phasers are different. This is the old one. Way, way different. You can see the difference in there. Very flat around here. And then that pretty much covers the kit itself. Here's the decals. Really, really, really nice decals. You know, if you want to light this thing up, it's a really difficult thing to do. Here's the decals for the windows and stuff like that. And you could get aftermarket stuff if you want to do the Aztecing and stuff like that. But that's a really, really nice decal sheet that you get with it compared to the old yellow. This one's all yellowed up, but you don't get a real lot with it. You just get the excelsior stuff, but not the NX or anything like that. No windows, some lines and stuff like that. This is really, really nice. And so that's definitely a winner right there. So, you know, I'm not going to give these a rating really. I'm just giving you a good look. If I had to give the new kit a rating, I'd give the new kit like a 9 or 10 out of 11. Why?
These go to 11.
Anyway, hope you liked the review of these two kits. Would you get it, the old kit? Yeah, for 14 bucks, 15 bucks, yeah. But the new kit is far superior in many, many ways, even though I do not like the softness of the bridge. At least it looks soft to me. I do like the look of the old bridge. That was the biggest part of winning for the old kit, is maybe this one. Maybe you could take this and put it on there. I don't know. You tell me. Trekworks does a really nice job on building this kit. He lights it up. Really great job if you want to see a build of it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe, please, so I can keep going doing these videos and buy some more kits. Show you newer kits. Thanks. Bye-bye.